I don't know.
It's beautiful. She's not afraid. Tell Dolly it's okay.
It's okay.
I was like, hey, I was going to go for a walk. What happened here? She's hungry. Yeah, why don't you get some more out? Hi, baby. What's wrong with you? Where did you come from? What do we do with you? She's afraid of the camera. Is she cool? Look at the claws. I think it's a pheasant. Look at the tail feathers.
Pretty bird.
She's not eating anymore. She's a little nervous. Beer. Yeah, hold on to those. Tony's taking pictures of her. She's a little nervous now.